YouTube family. I am so excited to film this video for you all. I apologize for being so MIA. I will get into that later on throughout the video, but here I just want to start off with a tutorial so that you all can understand what I do in order to construct my wigs. When applying the closure onto your wig cap, you must pull the closure down just about 1/2 inch past the cap so that when you or your clients apply the wig, it will not be too tight or too small to apply. When I go through with the threading, I stick the thread through the cap, only on the closure part, because this helps me ensure that the closure will stay onto the wig and it will not eventually unravel as your clients wear it over time. And you want to make sure that it is secure as well. As you can see, you see these lines on the wig cap. That's where I like to place the closures in between or at, because it helps with knowing where to put it and where it should be on the wig cap. It's just easier for me. I just like for it to be like that. It gives it more structure, I should rather say. So do not laugh at me. I'm using the makeup thing to make the lines on the wig cap only because I don't have what everybody else uses. I don't know what everybody else uses because I don't do the line method. I only did it so you all can get an idea of how far I sew my wefts onto the wig cap. That's it. That's all. So as you can see, I'm using my bundles. You see that was blue tag, baby. Good bundles over here. One of the best bundles out here. Thank you. I ain't gonna say the best because it is good hair around here, but I'm using my hair. I did body wave 20 inch, 22 inch, and 24 inch. The closure is body wave as well. It's a 20 inch closure, 4x4. I'm just sewing it on. You're gonna see soon like half flat. I got it. The reason it is flat like this is because once I made sure that the beginning of the weft was sewed down, I took the T-pin and I pinned the other end of the weft of the T-pin down to the dome head, and that made sure that my weft stayed in place and I knew exactly where to sew it because it was still on the line that I had put it on there. If you are a beginner, I encourage you to use the lines because it is a big help for you. So here you see it's loose, only because if I was to make it tight, it was going to be hard for me to fold the weft over. So I just put the T-pin on the weft loosely as I folded the weft and made it tight with the thread. Once I did that, I took the T-pin out and then I readjusted it and made the weft tight straight across so that I can do the same thing that I did in the beginning. Now, I recorded this video in 2 days. It usually takes me 1 hour to make a wig, 1 hour and 30 minutes with the styling. It took me 2 days because, you know, I have clients or whatever, so I just made this wig in between the time I had. And plus, it's not a wig for someone. This is a wig I intend on selling. I'm releasing this video. I still have the wig because I literally made the wig yesterday. So if you all are seeing this early, it is still for sale. So I'm going in with the heat protectant. Since this is body wave hair, as you all know, it's usually like crinkled up and wavy. I don't like that because when I curl, it doesn't look good. So I go in with the heat protectant on the hair, and I go in with my hot comb I got from Amazon. I will put it down in the link below so you all can get it. It gets really hot. After I hot comb in with the heat protectant, I take my wax stick from Erica J, and I go back in with that. So as you see, I curl away from the face, away from the... Yes, I curl away from the face because that makes the curls look better. You just take it and you wrap behind. That's all you do. You wrap away from the face. You do it on the other side as well, and it gives the best look ever. Here I am doing what I love to do. This is the most satisfying part for me when I do the hot combing. Here you see I'm parting out the back piece. This helps cover the tracks and it gives it more form. I go in with my Erica J styling foam, and the foam, also known as mousse, it gives a great sleek shine to the hair, especially when you go in with the hot comb. It makes the hair more manageable. You can do this with the bundles as well. It just gives a sleek shine, as you can see. I go in with the wax stick to give it a better hold and a better shine. Boom, baby. So y'all about to see how I get this closure really flat. So I go in on both sides and do this and press them out with the heat protectant first. I don't like to do the wax stick because on every press because it's going to make the hair really oily, and I don't want that to happen. So I keep continuing to do this until I get to a point where the closure is straight down the middle, and then that's what allows me to get a mobility to pluck my part. So you see how flat it is, right? Just by using heat protector in this good hot comb from Amazon that I'm going to give you all. So I'm parting this straight down the middle because this is where I see myself plucking this middle part. I go in with the mousse, press it out so it can be really, really sleek, and I make sure both sides are flat as possible. Get it flat as possible. I really love making wigs and doing this on the dome hair because I can press this hair out as much as I want to without having to worry about me like burning my client's scalp. This helps because you just keep pressing as much as you can, as far down as you can, and everything. Make sure you don't burn no hole though, but you continue to do that without having to worry about like burning their head. And when you apply it onto the hair, it's so much easier. I can include plucking the middle part in the plucking tutorials as well. Just make sure you all comment everything you want to see from me down below. The only reason why I haven't really been posting because I wasn't sure what you all want to see. And as I've been seeing my subscribers go up, I don't know if I'm going to have 1,000 by the time I upload this, but I'm almost at 1,000. I'm literally 3 subscribers away. And I see that you all are engaged with my content, but I don't know what more you all want from me. So please comment that below. I really love y'all input. I love all the comments y'all leave down below because it really gives me more motivation to keep doing everything for you all because you all are very supportive. Y'all keep people going. So I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. So I'm going to pay y'all back by giving y'all all my tips and tricks and everything. So I hope you all are enjoying this tutorial so far and enjoying how flat I'm getting this and how much scalp I'm giving. It's not even on nobody's head yet. I usually do not like to do the edges. As you can see, like when I get done, I'm not going to do the edges because I don't know how like my clients or whoever buys the wig will want it. So I would rather people buy the wig. If they don't have me install it, they could do it themselves. But when I install it, of course, I'm going to do it my own way. So here, I'm basically done. I'm just spraying my shining spray on there. Do a little touch up on the wig. Fix a few curls. And I'm basically done. Also, just because I do not post on here does not mean I'm not posting everywhere else. I'm most definitely on Instagram and TikTok. So I will drop those 2 links below to my social media so that you all can follow me, you know. Keep up with me. Because I'm not just a MIA stylist. Y'all know I'm still posting. As y'all can see, I'm on another location from the last time I had made a video in a salon when I did that closure tutorial. There's a lot of stuff that I improved on y'all that I really want to show y'all. So I will be doing new videos, revamping and everything like that. But this is the finished look. I appreciate you all for watching. If you watched to the end, thank you. I love you. Please go follow all my social medias and please subscribe below because I will be giving you all the best content. But anyways, thank you all for commenting and subscribing. See you.